Our world is more divided than ever, and for a company like TechVision, resilience now depends on adaptation, innovation, and ethical clarity. Let's dive in. 2. Agenda. This presentation is structured in 4 parts. First, I'll provide a brief historical context and outline the main challenge TechVision faces today. Then, we'll compare regional realities across major markets. After that, I'll walk you through our strategic framework and specific recommendations. Finally, we'll look at the implementation roadmap, KPIs, and how we manage stakeholder expectations. 3. Historical context and AMP. Challenge. For decades, TechVision thrived under a globalized, liberal trade system shaped by US dominance. That system is breaking down. We're now in a multipolar world, more fragmented, protectionist, and uncertain. This creates a fundamental challenge. How can TechVision remain competitive when its previous global model no longer fits? 4. Critical geopolitical factors. Several external forces are putting pressure on tech. Export bans, surveillance laws, and fragmented supply chains are now the norm. And because different regions are forming tech blocs, we're forced to operate under very different rules, often in conflict with one another. TechVision can no longer rely on one-size-fits-all policies. 5. Strategic thesis. Our core thesis is simple but urgent. To survive, TechVision must decentralize and adopt a tri-layered global strategy, one that is defensive, adaptive, and proactive. We need to protect what we've built, adapt to new realities, and lead where we can. 6. Regional impact assessment. Let's look at 3 key regions. In China, we see national security concerns, leading to forced IP transfers and tight surveillance. In the EU, strict ethical and environmental standards bring challenges, but also opportunity. The US is supportive of innovation, but its protectionist policies and polarization pose serious risks. Each region presents a unique operating environment. 7. Governance and AMP. Regulation. Each region's strategy is rooted in its history and governance. China wants technological independence. The EU is focused on privacy, sustainability, and ethical standards. The US is building domestic resilience through the CHIPS Act. These different philosophies mean TechVision must tailor its compliance and operations to fit each market. 8. Strategic framework. So how should TechVision respond? Our strategy is threefold: defensive, protect operations in high-risk regions; adaptive, adjust to transitional governance systems; proactive, lead through innovation. This gives us a